And 19, 20, and 21, finding the slope and the y-intercept of the line given the equation in ax plus by equals c, which is standard form. What we want to do is rewrite it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, the m being the slope, and the b being the y-intercept. So all we're really going to do is rearrange that, solve it for y, so we can pick out the slope and the y-intercept. So I'm going to leave the 2y where it is. I'm going to move my x to the other side, so it's going to become a negative 4x, and then the minus 2 goes on the end since it was already on the right side. I'm then just going to divide by 2. So y is going to equal negative 2x minus 1. So my y-intercept is the minus 1 on the end. My slope is the minus 2 that's in front of the x. So on number 20, if I want to solve that one for y, negative y is going to equal a negative 4x plus 3. Moving my 4x to the other side made it negative. Dividing everything by negative 1 is just going to change my signs. So y equals 4x minus 3. My y-intercept, the minus 3 on the end. My slope, the 4 that's in front of my x. And number 21, same thing. I want to solve this one. I'm going to have negative 4y equals, I'm going to move my 5x to the other side, so negative 5x minus 12. I'm then going to divide everything by negative 4. So y is going to equal, negative over a negative is going to make that a 5/4 x. Negative over a negative, negative 12 divided by negative 4, positive 3. So my y-intercept is 3, my slope 5/4. Now there are those special cases that you have to keep in mind, that if you have x equals your number, your line is vertical, and the denominator would be 0, so your slope is undefined. And if I have y equals a number, my line goes horizontal, my slope is going to be 0. So just keep that in mind for those special cases when they ask you about the slope of a vertical or a horizontal line.